Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon, depending on which style you've got applied. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. Maybe not like that, like that. And after releasing, you can see the recents. You can close them manually one by one just by swiping them up like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I simply recommend to tap on this X button here. So we will close all of them with only one click. Let's enter to check. We've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.